actually works. It's super crazy, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. This is totally updated, guys. Hey guys, so do you play Subway Surfers? Today I will teach you how to get Subway Surfers mod. So this gives you free coins and keys and boards. So I'm going to turn on unlimited coins and unlimited keys, and let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, guys, this is the current amount, really bad. So hopefully it starts increasing, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's see what happens to our account, and hopefully we do see a rise. So oh my gosh, it's working, guys. So I'm going to show you how to download this. So let's get straight into the video. Super cool. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it for your device. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website matrixmods.com. So on this site, guys, you're going to see a number of apps. So they're all modded apps and stuff like that. So just type in Subway Surfers, press download, and the next step is the verification. So this is just where you have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, it's really simple, so you guys shouldn't have any problems. So as you can see, guys, it says almost there, additional files are required. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. You can see if I press help, I can watch this video. But yeah, we got tons of these. So like Mode Casino, Travel Town, Underdog Fantasy just says down and run for 30 seconds. So all I have to do is complete 2 of them, guys, and I'm gonna be good to go. So be sure to try it out. And it's super cool to me because I'm broke on Subway Surfers usually, but now I'm rich. So that's awesome. So as you can see, we got anti-ban, skip ads. So this is super cool, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out if you guys want to get a fully working Subway Surfers mod. Now also, I want you guys to go onto settings and keep background app refresh turned on, very important. But other than that, you should be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how I get Subway Surfers mod for your device. So it's super awesome. So unlimited coins and keys. So if this tutorial works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps. Press help if you want to watch this tutorial. But yeah, it's super cool. I have looked into some other ones, but this is the only Subway Surfers hack I'd really recommend, because it is legit and everything. So try it out for yourself, guys, and you can get this for your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but yeah, try it out. This is super awesome. And you can see all the apps here, so you don't have to do all of them, you just have to do 2 of them. But yeah, it's pretty simple, so I think you guys will easily be able to do it. So yeah, if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I've found that some of the apps are going to be different, so like Travel Town says reach level 9, but this one just says down and run for 30 seconds. So there's an app out there for everyone. If one of them is against you, you can just do a different one. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So matrixmods.com, guys, that's the website where you can download this Subway Surfers hack for your device. So free coins and keys. How can you go wrong? So yeah, you can press help here to watch this video. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, other than that, I think you guys are going to enjoy this quite a lot. There are some other settings in there too, which is kind of cool. So you can see VIP, skip ads, anti-ban. So it's overall pretty crazy, but yeah, I've had no problems with it whatsoever. So I'm expecting mostly the same results for you guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. Be a subscribe if you want to get Subway Surfers hack for your device. No jailbreak needed, of course. And yeah, so it's pretty wild. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And peace out.